Hello everyone. So today we will see what is Git garbage collector and what is Git maintenance. What happens in general when we merge multiple branches, when we delete the branches, when we perform the squashing, rebasing. So sometimes some Git objects become loose. What is Git object? Like our commits, our trees, all these things we know combinedly call as a Git object. So some of the Git object may become loose or even untracked. Okay, what garbage collector do? Garbage collector pack these loose objects. Okay, pack these loose objects, or if it is unreferenced and untracked, it simply delete those objects. You may ask, hey, do I need to manually do this garbage collection, or Git will automatically take care of it? Answer is depends upon your setting and other conditions. In general sense, garbage collections occur whenever we do Git push. Okay, but but currently we are not learning about the Git remote, so you may not know what is Git push. And if you are not pushing your project continuously, at that case also there can be a multiple loose objects, and that loose objects may cause some problems in future. Overall, it will make your repository bulky. So for that we use git garbage collector command, that is git gc. So now first of all let's look at uh, the object class, okay, or maybe object file. So if I do ls, I mean ls minus a, so I will get all the files. So I want to look into the git files. Okay, so what I will do, ls dot git. After that I want to peek into object file, correct? Object, let's say minus a here also. So here as you can see there are like lots of objects here, and let's see what is there in the pack. So what is pack? All the loose object, what git do? Git like take all the loose references and all the loose objects, and it pack those objects and put it in the pack folder. Okay, so let's see what is there in pack. So I will do simply after that pack, and there is nothing because I have never pushed this repository. Now let's run the git gc, that is garbage collector command, and it is telling all the writing the objects are done. Okay, now let's check the packs. So as you can see, packs are there. There is one packet of index, there is one dot pack file, and there is one dot rev file. Okay, I won't go into details what does all these files do. Maybe you can again search it on Google and learn on your own. Basically, index file is for the all the referencings, and package file is for all the objects. Okay. Now let's quickly look into the object file. And as you can see, there is no loose object, or there is no object here. Reason being, those were all the loose objects, and that all has been packed. Okay. So do I lost anything? Answer is no. If you do git log, you will get entire history without worries. Okay. Now let's look into one more thing, that is git maintain. What does git maintain do? So as name suggests, it is most more on the maintenance side. Okay, it also, whenever you do git maintenance run, like it do the garbage collection also, and also it do the packing of references and pruning of ref log, all this stuff it do. Overall, like it overall it do the actions that is necessary to keep healthy git repository. Okay, now quickly see that command also. Okay, so command is git maintenance run. That's it. So now it has done garbage collection also, it has done pruning also, it has done other optimization that is required for healthy git repository. So now you know how to keep your repository healthy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you found this garbage collection concept interesting. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.